How to create CJ Dropshipping account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open up any browser you have. Go to CJ Dropshipping website. Click on My CJ icon at the bottom right of the screen. Click on Register at the top right of the screen. You will redirected to the new user registration page. Enter your email, username, and invitation code if you have one. Check the confirmation box after reading the user agreement and privacy policy. Click Next. Enter your first and last name. Enter your mobile number. Click Next. Enter your password and retype it. Click Confirm. Once you do that, your CJ Dropshipping account will be created. You can take the CJ Dropshipping survey so they can learn more about you to offer better services, or you can skip for now. And that's it. That's how to create CJ Dropshipping account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.